Hello guys, I welcome you all to level 1 of our HTML training, which is organized by ODP Tech Hub and then sponsored by OG Tech Limited. Right, so in this particular video, I will be walking you through the Visual Studio Code interface, what you need to know before you can get started with our HTML training. Yeah, so without wasting my time, let's dive into my Visual Studio Code app. So here is my Visual Studio Code app. As a first timer, when you open the software, this is what you probably see. Yeah, so this open file, open folder, and then open recent. So for easy training, or for you to get things very easy, we will be creating a folder on our desktop here. So you create a folder on your desktop and name it HTML training, or any name that comes in mind, or learn coding, or HTML level 1 training. Yeah, any name that comes in mind, you just create your file on your desktop and then name it with that particular name. Yeah, so after that you come to your Visual Studio Code and then you go to file, then you go to open folder, the folder that you created on your desktop earlier. You'll be opening it here and then you can start creating files in that particular folder. Okay, so on my desktop here you could see the folder that I created, that is the HTML level 1. So I'll just select that and then open my folder. So after opening your folder, it will be displayed on your Explorer menu of your Visual Studio Code. So when you select your folder that you open, this is what you see. The first one is the new file, new folder. So you can actually create a new folder inside of the folder that you created earlier. And then this is to refresh your folder, and then this one also is the collapse folder in Explorer. So you can collapse all of your folders that you have created in this particular folder here. So we'll be making use of the new file. As a first timer, you create new file. Yes, so when you are creating a file in Visual Studio Code, you should be mindful of one thing, that is you don't have to leave space between your words when you want to create a file. Yeah, so like this, I'll just type first. So you could see first work.html. That is the extension. That should always be the extension because this is the HTML level. So we'll be making use of the extension .html. So you could see that first work is two different words put together. I didn't leave space between the first and then the work. If you want to leave space, you can just bring dash or something like that, but don't leave this space. It will not work, or you'll be experiencing errors when you preview your file. So after um creating a new file, you just hit enter and then you will get your page for you to start writing something. Yes, so I'll be generating the skeleton of HTML, but I don't want to rush things up with you guys. So I'll go the normal way so that someone might not get confused or something. So the normal way, HTML, like this. I'll hit enter and then it will automatically close my HTML tag for me. So inside your HTML, you have the header tag. So head, you just hit enter and then it will automatically close it for you. But if you are using smartphone, you just have to type everything. So inside the head we have the title. So the title of your page that will be displayed on your browser when you run your code. Or sorry, for now we don't run code, we only preview in the browser. Yeah, so the title of your work, you just put in learn, sorry, length coding. Okay, so length coding. So that's it. So now we're done with the head. So outside the header, you could see this is the opening tag of the head and then the closing tag of the head. So outside the head, we have our body tag. So this body like this, what will always start next. So this is the body of our HTML. So everything that's in the body will be displayed on your browser. Yes, so the body like this, we have H1. So the H1, I'll say welcome sorry to ODP. Welcome to ODP Tech Hub. So our first header is welcome to ODP Tech Hub. You can use any name that you want. So hit enter, and then still in our body tag again. You can have H2, and then you can see this training. So this training is powered by ODP Tech Hub. So that I think that will be it for now. Yes, I just want to walk you around and then show you the interface of your Visual Studio Code software. So to preview your code that and also to make sure that you are right and then you're on point, you just save it first. So Control S to save your work, everything that you just did, you press Control S to save it. After that, you come to the title of your work like this, first work.html. You come to it and then you right click. So after right clicking, you could see the copy path here. That is Shift plus Alt plus C. So copy path, you copy the path of your file. Yes, you don't run it directly on Visual Studio Code. You just copy the file path, and after that you open your web browser, any web browser that you have on your computer. You open it and then you paste the path inside there to preview your code. So I'll switch to my web browser and then paste the path and then run it for you to see what we just did. So this is my browser. Yes, so you could see my Visual Studio Code here and also my browser here as well. If you want Windows 11, you can use the split screen option, but if you're not on Windows 11 but you're on Windows 10, you can open both apps at the same time and then be position them to fit your screen. Yes, so I think I will be pasting my code now. Sorry, the path that I copied from Visual Studio Code. So Control V to paste it, and then I hit enter to preview my code. Yeah, so you could see welcome to ODP Tech Hub. This training is powered by ODP Tech Hub. So that's it. What we have here is what is being displayed here. And someone will ask, what is the title? So if I zoom this, you could see the title of our work. Yeah, so let me zoom this. You could see the title of our work, which is the Learn Coding. Yes, that is the title. It's a local file which is being hosted on your computer, so it's not available online yet. Yeah. So in our subsequent video, we'll be looking at some um, basic HTML tagging. Yes, and then we will continue with the real work. Yes, that's the real deal. So this is just the beginning, I mean the introduction. So stay tuned and then keep your eye on our channel for more tech tutorials video. um so guys, that will be all for this video. That is introduction to Visual Studio Code HTML training. So guys, if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and then turn on the notification so that you don't miss out when we drop our next video. Yes, and also leave everything in the comment section if you don't understand anything, or you can personally WhatsApp me, yeah, on WhatsApp for step-by-step explanation on anything that you don't understand. So guys, thanks for watching this video. See you.